everyone, welcome to Plant Talk. In this episode I will talk about the pumpkin. I sowed the seed of the pumpkin that I carved last year for Halloween and left it alone for the seed to germinate. After a couple of weeks I transferred them into the soil. The pumpkin vine grows and spreads out very quickly. The leaves, when they grow, are enormous. Some of the leaves in my garden are bigger than my face. Before you try and measure your face with the leaf, be careful because the leaf is spiky. This is to keep out predators such as slugs and snails. The first bright yellow flowers to bloom will be the male flowers. The female flowers will bloom a few days after the male flowers. This is because the bees will get used to the area where the flowers are in. This will help the female flowers to be pollinated. It is easy to identify the male and female flowers. The female flower has a small fruit under the flower, whereas the male flower has a straight and long stem. Do not despair if you have only male flowers. The flowers are edible and they make delicious, tasty and crispy pakoras. Just to show you, this is the male flower and this is the female flower. Bees help pollinate the female flowers by carrying pollen on their bodies. If you look closely, you can see the pollen sticking to the bee. When the bee goes into the female flower searching for nectar, the pollen rubs off onto the female flower. To increase the chances of successful pollination, I decided to hand pollinate. For this, I will leave as much stem at the bottom of the flower, snip it, and carefully take off the petals. Once done, gently transfer the pollen onto the female flower. I've hand-pollinated 3 of them, 1 on each vine. If a female flower has been successfully pollinated, the flower will dry out and the fruit will grow bigger. If not, both the flower and the fruit will dry out and drop off eventually. That one's gone a bit yellow, so I don't think that has been pollinated, but I think this one has. On the vines that we have got, I have noticed not all the female flowers are blooming. I think this is because the plant is giving away all its energy in order to help grow the pumpkin. We've had rubbish weather, so I've only gone and checked the pumpkins a couple of times, and I think they are growing wonderfully. Don't you think they are growing well? We got impatient and I decided to harvest one. Before we ate it, I wanted to weigh it, but it was so heavy I had my dad's help. It weighs roughly 4 kilos. Not bad for a few seeds that might weigh about 4 grams, is it? Hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press like and share this video with friends and family. Bye!